Welcome to Tanfon Solar Power System Factory. Most of the factory customers, they are choosing our 100 kilo to 1 megawatt solar power system for their factory solar power solution.
Solar panels are installed on the factory roof and connected via a high-efficiency MPPT controller. The inverter directly drives heavy equipment such as water purification systems, processing machinery, production lines, etc. When the battery is low on power, the system can automatically switch to mains power or a generator within 20 milliseconds, ensuring continuous power supply. For areas with unstable mains power, such as Africa, our MPS solar system adopts a dual circuit design with a built-in isolation transformer and ADC emergency port connection, ensuring that critical loads are never powered and providing comprehensive protection for the system and equipment. Each system undergoes 100 extreme charge-discharge tests before leaving the factory to ensure stability and reliability even in harsh environments. And its quality stands the test of time. We provide word-free services throughout the process, free design, on-site installation, and training by engineers, and 25 years of free remote operation and maintenance support. We welcome you to visit our projects or tour our factory. Our Africa 1.5 megawatts solar system is currently under production. You are welcome to come and see it.